Hello, my name is Sammy Meyer, and I'm the Program Director at Farm America in Waseca, Minnesota. Today, we are going to pack our Soil Sleuths field trip in a box. This field trip focuses on an introduction to soil and soil health and includes all of the materials that you will need to complete this soil-themed field trip in under 60 minutes. Let's get started. Each field trip in a box includes a welcome letter and folder complete with step-by-step instructions and any paper materials you may need to complete the experiments and activities included in the kit. And one free admission for each participating student to visit Farm America once you've completed the field trip. This soil kit includes supplies for 25 students in small groups to test soil samples for key nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These supplies include clear containers and bottled water for mixing soil samples, test tubes to perform the nutrient tests, measuring spoons, stirring sticks, and droppers for measuring and combining soil and nutrient indicators, test capsules to indicate nutrient levels of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and pH levels, soil samples directly from the fields at Farm America, and lastly, a packing slip so that we can make sure we've included all of the necessary supplies and materials in order for you to complete these experiments. If you have questions or if you would like to try one of our field trips in a box, visit our website or send us an email to info@farmamerica.org. We hope to hear from you soon.